Today we're checking out the DJI Neo, a lightweight 135 grams mini drone packed with a 4K UHD camera, AI tracking and palm takeoff. This is perfect for anyone looking to capture amazing footage without dealing with complicated controls. Let's jump into the unboxing. Inside you get everything you need: the DJI Neo drone, battery, propeller guards and a gimbal protector. The Neo feels like a budget drone with its all-plastic build from the propellers to gimbal casing, making it lightweight but still durable enough for minor crashes. However, the camera, which sits on a delicate gimbal, is one area that needs extra care. It comes with AI tracking for smoother shots, but the lens is protected by a flimsy plastic cap. While the cap isn't the most robust, I highly recommend using it to prevent damage to the delicate gimbal-mounted camera. The propellers have got adding a layer of protection, but the overall build is definitely on the lighter side. This does make it convenient for travel. I've tossed it in my wife's purse without worrying about damage, which makes it super portable for quick trips or holiday shoots. Smart features like auto landing and return to home minimize the risk of serious crashes as long as you avoid major obstacles. The drone has two physical controls, the power button and a mode button. The mode button lets you pick the quick shots like drone, helix or boomerang. Great for those automated cinematic shots. Just be cautious when using modes that send the drone upwards to avoid obstacles. What sets it apart? Palm takeoff and landing, plus controls options via voice, mobile app or remote, ideal for vlogs, family outings and first-time flyers. In terms of details, the Neo shoots stabilized 4K video and 12 megapixel photos, which is perfect for vloggers or content creators. However, low light performance could be better and it's not great in windy conditions. With a 10 to 15 minutes flight time, the Flight Mode combo is worth considering for extra batteries if you need longer shoot sessions. For the budget drone, the Neo delivers solid results. Video quality is decent, especially on bright days, though direct sunlight can wash out the image unless you tweak the Pro settings. Low light footage gets grainy, but that's expected with a smaller sensor. If you're looking for the quick city-shape shots or aerial views, this is a great option without breaking the bank. The gimbal tilts from 90 degree to 60 degree, but sometimes shots feel awkwardly angled when stationary, especially when aiming directly downward. Still, wide panning shots came out beautifully, making the footage feel ground, despite the Neo's modest price tag. With a 50-meter max distance, the battery life allows over a dozen takeoffs for short clips, though longer videos will drain it quickly. You can shoot at 1080p to extend the battery life. The Neo is perfect for content creators and vloggers, offering reliable, easy-to-use features at an unbeatable price. And what really sets it apart for me is the portability. It fits right into my wife's purse, making it easy to take anywhere without worrying about damage. For field footage or holiday videos, it's been just what I needed. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one.